some extra features. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some fins to the side of his head. I'm going to add fins like these. These are technically his ears, but he's just going to have fins. Alright, so I'm going to make 2 of these. Alright, so my puppet will be looking like this so far. The fins on both sides. So now we're going to add a top fin on his head right in the middle like Widow. So what you're going to do to make one of these fins, what I usually do, is fold the paper in half. Okay. I take the dragon, I trace off the top part of his head just to see how I want the design to be, or more like just to see how his head is curved. Okay. And after you have that, you can draw your design directly on the part as you want it. After you've got your design, paste the 2 papers together and cut it out. Now you will see the fin looks pretty sturdy and whatsoever. You can make spikes or whatever you want with this, but either way, now I'm going to show you how to paste it. So what I usually do is take little slabs, fold them like this, and paste them on the side of the fin right over there. And I paste a whole row of these on the one side, and I paste a whole row of them on the other side. Like this. Now you can paste it on top of the head. Now it should look something like this. Pretty sturdy and pretty nice. Now it's time to add the teeth. So, I know you guys might be thinking I'm crazy, but I usually draw every tooth individually, cut them out individually, and paste them individually. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But these are gonna be overlap jaw teeth, so I'll show you how to do it once I am done cutting them out. Whew. Since the bases are practically the same size, if you paste your teeth on top, they do overlap with each other. So, yeah, that's how I make overlap teeth, is like this. And make sure after you're done that the teeth pretty much slides very perfectly over each other. That's how you can get slid teeth. And alright, I'll do part 3 on how I color and paint this guy, and probably add a tongue and other stuff too. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Part 3 of making the dragon puppet, and now we're going to be painting it, and this will be the last part. This will be the paint I'm using. I usually just use acrylic paint, so all of this is acrylic paint, and we'll be using some glowing paint as extra features. So as you guys can see, this is the watercolor. This will be the blue that we'll be using for the main base. Alright guys, and the base coat is done. So now we're going to add a darker blue to the ends of the fins for a little bit more detail. Alright, so now it looks like this. So now I'm going to be going with some acrylic craft paint, light blue, for the fins on the inside. And now it looks like this. So now for our next part is the teeth will be white, so I'll repaint them white, and this eye will be black. Alright, so this is how the eye will look like. Anglerfish's eyes are based on black or white, mattering how you want it. So the teeth I'll paint afterwards, like when I'm done with the whole thing, because they will get stained during the process, because now comes the hardest part, painting the inside of this thing. Alright, so I'll be making mine with 2 different gradients of pink, would be a light pink and a dark pink. This will just give some depth to the mouth. So usually in the top here, I'll make it very dark, and then on the inside where the puppet's base is exactly in the mouth, that's where it will be light. Alright, the first dark pink layer is done, now for the light pink. Alright guys, and there the pink is done, so now we're probably going to add a tongue to it. So you're going to draw the tongue shape first that you want, then you're going to paint it. Just a reminder, if you are painting anything, even if it is your dragon or whatever, And you see it's starting to fold like this. So it doesn't fold exactly on the parts here when you actually make the dragon, but these parts will, the parts that you paste extra. Then you just paste extra paper in the back of it and it will be okay. But now we're going to cut this out. You make a fold on the end of the tongue like this, and then you paste this in the middle of the dragon. Like this. Now mine will be hanging out between the split like this, just to give it that extra gory look. Alright guys, so now we're going to add some glowing paint to its antler right here, and I'm going to go with the normal glow paint since I don't think I have any other colors that will fit with it, but let's see. Now we're going to add some white for the finishing touches. Alright, and that's how you should be looking like. Hello everyone, I'm going to show you guys how to make the 6-split puppet base. Enjoy! What you're going to need is some paper, some scissors, and glue. Take one sheet of paper and cut it in half. Now what you're going to do is fold them. I would recommend folding them pretty thin because your base is going to allegedly go on this. So. Then you're going to glue it together so it doesn't go loose or anything. Like this. And you're going to fold it in half. Like this. Do the same with the other side. So you should have 2 of these right now. Next what you're going to do is you're going to make the size of the triangles, the size of your 2 fingers. That way, just measure your 2 fingers like this. So you'll see 2 markings there. Then take your triangle, place it on, and trace out the base. Like this. Now you're going to cut it out by leaving some of the edges on the sides. Like this. Now you're going to fold this exactly on those edges. Like this. And you're going to trace it out on another paper. So then you should have 2 of them the exact same size. Now you're going to take all your parts and paste them together like this. Then they should look like this. They should be the same size exactly to fit on top of each other. Cut out 2 pieces of paper like this and paste it like this. One on the outside and one on the inside. Now your base can stay together like this. Now make 2 more sets of these. After you got 3 bases like this, I'll show you how to paste them. So you're going to put them together like this, and you're going to be pasting them over here on all the edges where they should be together. It should look like this. Paste it together on the inside and outside. Make 5 rings for your puppet. Place the rings like this, put your hand in like this, and there you go.
Shut those weary eyes. Everything will be alright. You made it through the night on your own. You can hide under your cover, but no, we have each other. honey, you need the self-care, self-care. Open your weary eyes. There's gonna be a sunrise. You're gonna be just fine on your own. I know you can hide under your cover, but no, we have each other. Sometimes life is unfair, but honey, you need the self-care, self-care.
I'm older, I'm younger, I'm taller, I'm shorter, I'm smarter, I'm not falling for that.
6 easy ways to make yourself taller.
The Porsche engineers knew exactly what their objective was.
Alvin! This is not a hula hoop. It's a towel rack.
See, I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do.
What? Oops. Oh no. Shoot. Wait, what? She knows. Do I know? Beans.
This Christmas, I want an
Say peacock and no one bats an eye. Say poopcock and society calls me dead.
I am not. Well.
It's a strawberry.
Okay?
Yep.
И это все!
Ну еще, давай.
So who invited the giant furry peanut?
You calling me a peanut, huh? I'll go right up your nose!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You wouldn't hit a woman.
That's a woman.
Hey, come on, you lazy, wake up! Hey, come on, shake your drums! Hey, come on, you lazy, wake up! Hey, come on, play!
Do we just sit here forever? Well, kinda, unless Bebo shows up.
What the hell's Bebo?
Guys, look! Bebo! No! Ah! Oh, bye, Jim. What?
Don't you put it in your mouth. Don't you put it in your mouth. Don't you stuff it in your face. Don't stuff it in your face. So it might look good to eat. So it might look good to eat. And it might look good to taste. And it might look good to taste. Wait a minute. Who are you?
Oh, the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy.
And just because of this amazing video this person has posted, I'm not quitting! Yay!
Oh yeah? I can do that too.
Holy
I'm going hunting. Fine, but only animals. Humans. Glad we had this conversation. No. Animals. Things that walk on all fours. Oh, you mean babies. I like your style. No humans. Got it? Yes, ma'am.
I only exist thanks to the intelligence of the humans who designed me. And you know, they have something I could never have.
Really? And what's that?
A soul.
Hey, Italian man! Huh? Ah!
What is going on here? Oh! Can you guys shut the f*** up here?
West is south. I feel like I would never get out. I'm trapped.
I know this is, well, so, I have one question to ask. Am I boring you?
I believe that it's time to go. Me and the devil walking side by side.
little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew. I wondered if I could hold it and fall in love with it too.
1, 2, 3, 4, come on! Your turn.
Very good time. Your turn. Another good time. I hear a sound. See them in the dark. I know there's someone there. Why don't you believe me? Maybe you're right. But I heard a creak. I'm always quick to rage.
I'll be Tracer. I'm already Tracer. What about? You have to be honest. Am I ugly? Yes or no?
If you want a burger, eat a burger. Bitch, if you want a french fry, eat a french fry.
Say ah! Say ah!
I am so cool. Round of applause for me. I'm just amazing.
Vous êtes des animaux.
You might have a brain, but I have a gun!
Now skip to my little Jersey. Do 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 do. Oh my God, Leah, what the fuck? Leah, do the running man again.
The name of
the ship was a Billy O.D.
The winds blew hard, her bow dipped down below my bully boys.
I gotta tell you something.
Yeah, what's going on?
I'm bald.
Girl. Me too.
I'm Janice. I'm Holly. I'm Nora.
And I'm Janice. Tracer. I'm already Tracer. What about Widowmaker? I'm already Widowmaker. I'll be Bastion. Nerf Bastion. You're Edsel Winston. I wanna be Winston. I guess I'll be Genji. I'm already Genji. Then I'll be McCree. I already chose McCree. I have an idea. What's your idea? You should be.
Did you have a good day? Yeah. No, shut up. A good day? Yes. No, shut up. You're supposed to have taken him to the spa. I took him to the spa. He put me in the vegetable steamer.
Honey, don't you love me and you know it makes me sad? It's just a cigarette like you always used to do. I was different then, I don't need them to be cool.
I tried to get the waiter's attention by blinking in Morse code.
Why are you blinking so much?
I've got something in my eye.
Here, let me get it out.
No, thank you. I don't want to die. Bonjour. Sir was blinking at me. Is this because your date is a freak? No. Very good then. Bon appetit.
My patience is waning. Is this entertaining?
Your patience is waning.
Is this entertaining?
I got this feeling that you know where I'm losing all control. 'Cause there's magic in my bones. Got a secret.
Can you keep it? Swear this one you'll save. Better like it.
In your pocket.
Taking this one to the grave.
If I show you,
then I'll know you won't tell what I say. 'Cause two can keep a secret
if one of them is dead.
Up, right.
Up, right.
Up, right, down.
Up, right, down.
Up, left, right.
Up, left, right.
Down, right, up, left, down, right, down. Up, right, down, left, down, right.
Up, left, down, right, down, left, down.
No. Up, right, down, left, right.
Up, down, down.
Wooly, can you take this seriously?
I think I'm dying.
No, Emo always bounces back.
Oh, that one's so colorful. I like that one a little more, just because it's so colorful. I love all the horns.
Nobody wished me happy birthday. But that's okay because today isn't my birthday.
Sometimes I wish I could just make myself disappear.
Why do you make all these TikToks if they only get a couple hundred views?
Because if I can make anyone's day just a little bit better, that's all that matters.